Now we will learn how to draw an angle bisector and a perpendicular bisector. We are given an angle ABC. We need to draw an angle bisector which bisects the angle ABC. First of all, we will take a compass. We will put the pin of the compass here and we will draw an arc which intersects both BC and AB. At this point we will put the pin and draw an arc, and from this point we will draw another arc. We will put the ruler like this and draw this line. We name this point as D. The line BD is the angle bisector of angle ABC. Therefore, angle ABD equal to angle CBD. Now we will learn how to draw a perpendicular bisector. You are given a line segment AB. You need to draw the perpendicular bisector of it. That means we need to draw a straight line which will bisect AB and which will be perpendicular on AB. For doing this, again we will take the compass. We will put the compass pin here. We will take a radius which is greater than half of AB. From A we will draw two arcs on both sides, and from B we will again draw two arcs on both sides. These two arcs intersect at the point C and at the point D. We will join the points C and D. Therefore, the line CD is the perpendicular bisector of the line AB.